Hey friends, let's face it, prompt engineering is hard. So I'm going to show you a technique that will always deliver the perfect prompt for any task, even from a crappy prompt. So this technique is named mixture of agent. And in this video, we're going to make a quick demo. Then I will explain exactly how this technique works, and we will build this workflow in N8N step by step. And of course, you can download the template in the link below. So let's dive in. So this is the workflow, and so let's make a test with a chat here, and we're going to ask it to create a prompt to be the brain of a personal assistant AI agent that will check emails, calendar, tasks, and content creation. So the agent should understand which tool to use depending on the request. So we run it, and the only disadvantage is it takes a bit of time because it's going to run several models and then everything will be merged here. We wait a bit and we are going to see the result. Okay, here we have it. So, role: you are an intelligent task orchestrator and the central cognitive core of a personal assistant AI. Your paramount duty is to interpret user requests with nuanced precision, acting as a brain. You can see that it's very detailed. Email indicators, words like email, mail, send, read, inbox. So this is really good. Task indicators, content creation indicators, intent-based categorization classifies the request into one of the 4 categories. Intelligent tool selection and mapping, request routing and another, anti-request handling and clarification, flag and goal, scope narrowing. So yes, I think we have a really good prompt. Of course, we can always refine and rerun it, but this is how it works. So now let's see what exactly is this technique. Okay, let's see how this mixture of agent works. So it's a new approach that leverages the collective strengths of multiple models through a mixture of agents methodology. In our approach, we construct a layered mixture of agent architecture where each layer comprises multiple models. Each agent takes all the output from agents in the previous layer as auxiliary information in generating a response. And it achieves state-of-the-art performance that surpasses GPT-4o. You can also see this article on Together, where you can see this schema that shows very well how it works. And we can also have several layers. And at the end, we always have an aggregator model that will aggregate the results of everything. So now let's go and let's build this. I'm Alexandra Spalato, an AI full-stack engineer dedicated to help businesses to streamline their operations. So if you need my help, if you need me to explore your business and find the bottlenecks and what we can improve together, please book a free strategy call in the link below. So here is our workflow. We begin with chat trigger, and then we have here our 4 models. We use the AI agent node. We could have used the simple chain. And we have 4 different models here. So if we open the agent, we have here a prompt. And this prompt is following the reason framework. So let's see what is the reason framework. We give a role to establish the AI character, instruction to provide an ambiguous, detailed, and actionable guidance. Then we provide steps to offer a roadmap for task completion. Then we give narrowing to establish parameters to channel AI's creativity effectively, and we give an end goal to define the desired outcome, impact, and audience. So this is what we have used in our prompt, and you will be able to read that and have everything downloading the template. Okay, so now we attach a model to our agent. So I use OpenRouter, so we have all the models available. And here I'm using Gemini 2 Flash Thinking Experimental, which is free. Then I copy 4 times this agent, and each time I give another model. So here I have chosen the DeepSeek R1, which is free too. Here's the Phi free from Microsoft, also free, and the Dolphin free from Mistral, which is also free. Okay, and the prompt is the same each time. Then we use a merge node to merge the result of the models 2 by 2. Okay, so here it is. So we append and with 2 inputs, and we do the same here. And then the results from these 2 merge, we merge it again here. Okay. Then we use an aggregate node to merge all these 4 items and give them to our final model here. And here again, we have another prompt. So assume the role of a synthesis and refinement expert. Then it analyzes everything, carefully review each prompt to identify its focus strengths and unique contributions, enhancements. Well, you will read all that. And this one gives the final output. And here I have again chosen Gemini 2.0 Flash, which is free and it's one of the best models. But of course, you can experiment with other models, with paid models, etc., to see the best results. And as I have shown before, we can have several layers of models. So I hope you like this technique and that you will use it, and that thanks to that, prompt engineering is going to become easier and that you can create all your prompts. I was thinking that could be a really good application where we could build a front end and people can enter their basic prompts and it could output the perfect prompt, and then we could keep them in a library, refine them, etc. So let me know in the comments what you think of this idea, because I may build it and make a video about it. So here are a few examples that I have created. So for example, create a prompt to generate a post with all the necessary SEO best practice and keywords. He came back with a super prompt with all the steps: keyword research and strategy, content structure and outline, headline, meta optimization, etc. Then this was a prompt for the personal assistant that we have done in the building. And here I have done one to generate a prompt for a voice agent for a restaurant, like the one that I've done in this video. In 2 lines, he has created something quite good that I have begun to test, and it works. So greetings and recognition, reservation flow, user check availability with provided details, question answering flow, edge case handling, etc. So you can use it for any task, any prompt. So I hope that you will use it. So I recommend you keep it in your library and use it as a brain to create new prompts. The only disadvantage is it's quite slow because it's running all the models, but it's something that you run once to implement it in your agents and have the best results. We have seen how to create perfect prompts easily and have a tool that can become the brain for all your agents. So I really hope that you like it. And if you like this content, of course, please like, subscribe, comment, everything to please the YouTube algorithm and help me to produce more content for you. And of course, if you need my help to help you streamline your business, please book a free strategy call in the link below. And see you next week. Bye.